you started magic at a very, very young age. और जिस उम्र में लोग believe in magic and want to see, you became that person. You became magic. So obviously, at that age, what intrigued you to get into it? और ये शुरू कैसे हुआ? जादूगरनी जैसे कहते हैं. How did you become Sahani Shah?
I love the word you use, जादूगरनी.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. It's very random, yeah. I was watching magic on television when I was 6 years old. Sunday morning 10 o'clock का show आता था and I used to watch that.
कौन सा show?
I think it was केलाल, जादूगर केलाल का show था. I don't exactly remember the channel. Could be
DD
Z.
or
No,
Z.
Z पे तो चंद्रकांता आता था. तो there was this magic show and could be a local TV. I can't really recall the channel. But I was very fascinated by it. To a point, I didn't just want to watch more magic. I wanted to be that magician. So I remember walking up to my father and telling him, "Papa, मुझे जादू करना है."
And पापा को कोई लेना देना नहीं था इस
Papa was like, "जा जाके पढ़ाई कर."
as any normal papa.
Exactly. I've got normal parents, guys. So, but मैं बहुत जिद्दी थी. Like if I want to do, you know how second child, like you know, like आप जब जिद्दी हो तो हो अभी आपको जो भाई कर रहा है ना जो करना है हमको
मुझे खेलने दो.
हाँ हमको झंडे गाड़ने हैं.
Amazing.
वो आपका भाई बनेगा मेरा डॉक्टर इंजीनियर. मेरे को झंडे गाड़ने हैं. I kept talking to him every now and then, like every few days I would say कि यार जादू करना है, जादू करना है. I didn't even understand what I was saying, honestly, साहिबा. मेरे को पता नहीं मैं क्यों बोल रही थी, but I remember saying this. किचन से मम्मी से वो रोटी बनाने का आटा लिया, पापा का ऐसे हैंकरचिफ लिया और वो घर पे स्लेट्स और चॉक्स थी जब हम छोटे थे. तो मैंने उनको बोला आप कुछ भी लिखो. फिर मैं वही चीज़ उल्टा करके स्लेट लिख देती थी, ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड. एंड माय फादर वुड राइट इन गुजराती, तब तो मुझे समझ भी नहीं पड़ता था. देन आई वुड राइट दैट एंड दैट दे वर वेरी शॉक्ड. They were shocked for two reasons. One, because I was writing blindfolded, and two, because I was writing. I was 6 years old.
You were writing.
उनको लिख कैसे रही है? इसको तो लिखना ही नहीं आता. I was sick. I was very young.
Yeah. This I didn't. I obviously knew of you throughout, but I actually didn't know you dropped out of school.
Oh right. First standard. At the age of 7.
And when I knew कि हाँ you had dropped out, I thought वो बहुत बाद में, not at such a young age. तो वो convincing नहीं लगा parents को?
क्या?
To drop out of school.
No. तब तक मैंने शो शुरू कर दिए थे.
तो मतलब मजबूरी से करना पड़ा था because
No. So what happened? Okay. So here's how it happened. At 6 I told them I want to do magic. 8 months we booked an auditorium, props, choreographers, setup, huge, because now they want me to do a big show. So like cutting a person, burning, like every kind of violence, but in an entertaining way. What happened on a magic show? There was no violence, just saying it as a joke, guys.
Yeah, no violence. Yeah.
Theatrics.
Yes.
So all of that happened, and I did my first show in Ahmedabad. And when I did those 4 shows, I got a very good support. It was a kickstart. The government supported. It was for the ministry. Media supported. People supported. The industry people, the play industry, the theatre industry supported. So I got a contract for 3 months to come to Bombay. Right after that.
And you were 7.
Yeah, now I was 8.
So young. Okay.
Yeah, so when I came to Bombay to perform, I was 8 years old. So I was performing in Borivali for like 3 months. From there, I got many more shows. And so what happened was, my show is also big, as I told you. It's like एक कारवा चल रहा है, तो उन सबका भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट है. अगर मैं बंद कर दूँ 3 महीने, तो पहली बात तो उनका क्या होगा इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन. सेकेंडली उन सबको वापस लाना, एवरीथिंग यू नो इट्स मोमेंटम. मोमेंटम एक बार छूट गया, सब अपने अपने दुनिया में चले गए, टू गेट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी, क्योंकि हर बार मेरे को एग्जाम के लिए छोड़ना पड़ रहा था 3 महीने. एंड देन वी रियलाइज के nothing will be sustainable. पढ़ाई भी अफेक्ट होगी, ये भी होगा. So need to take a call. So we spoke to the principal of my school. बहुत टेस्ट वेस्ट दिलवाए गए मुझसे, IQ टेस्ट, ये टेस्ट, just to see if I'm really capable. It all went very well. Like पापा का तो बहुत सिंपल था. पापा सेड या तो मेरी बच्ची 60 बच्चों के साथ एक क्लास में बैठेगी या 60,000 लोगों के सामने परफॉर्म करेगी. तो उनका डिसीजन क्लियर है, ये तो परफॉर्म कर रही है. एंड शी हैज टू फॉलो हर पैशन. सीख जाएगी यार जो सीखना है लाइफ में. My mother का जो perspective था, which I feel is holds value even today, is कि जिस बच्चे को सीखना है वो कहीं से भी सीख जाएगा. अच्छा. जिसको नहीं सीखना ना, आप उनको बेस्ट स्कूल में डाल दो, वो फेल हो जाएगा.